Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn how to work with if and if-else function in Excel. So let's get started. The if function is a built-in function in Excel which returns values based on true or false condition. And the syntax for that is equals to f of logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. Here logical test refers to the condition which checks things like if a number is greater than another number, if number is less than another number, or if a number or text is equal to something. Here you can decide both the return values and the condition. So let's consider the same data as we used in previous session, where we have name column containing item names, type column indicating whether the item is fruit or vegetable, then we have count column which have count of respective item. Lastly, we have price column. Now let's add one more column called condition is equals to fruit. In this column we will perform if function and let's check the item is fruit or not. If it is, then it returns yes or else no. To do that, let's type is equals to if of b2 is equals to fruit, comma, s, comma, no, and now enter. It shows yes because the type here is fruit. Now let's click on fill function, drag this down. As you can see, it displays no here because here the type is vegetable. Next we have if-else function, which is also a built-in function which returns values based on one or more true or false condition. And the syntax for that is equals to if-else of logical test 1, comma, value if true 1, logical test 2, comma, value if true 2, and more. Again here logical test 1 and 2 refers to the conditions. More than one condition can be true, so the function will return the value for the first true condition. Here I am considering this price column. Let's type condition that is equals to if s of d2 less than or equal to 100. If it is less than or equal to 100, then it is cheap. Then comma d2 is equals to 150. If d2 is equals to 150, the price is reasonable. Then comma d2 greater than 200. If it is greater than 200, then the price is expensive, and now enter. It displays cheap because the price mentioned here is 50, which is less than 100. Now fill all the rows using fill function. Drag this down. As you can see, there are different results based on the conditions. So this was all about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.